One day, there was a pirate ship. In this pirate ship, there was a magician and a parrot. The magician would demonstrate magic shows everywhere the ship goes. Soon, the parrot recognizes all his shows and starts exposing what is actually happening and where magician is hiding everything. One day, the ship gets caught in a thunderstorm and ends up sinking. The magician swims to a small island and sees the parrot on top of a rock. Magician and the parrot has spent few days on the island and parrot finally talks. "Okay, I give up. Where did you hide the ship?"